Okay, properties of limits again. This time they've given us a root function. Okay, as from our previous examples, we'll quickly go over the rules. This is a exponent, so that's rule 7. We also have a division of two functions. That's going to be our rule 6. We also have a constant term. So that means we're looking at rule 1 again. Constant term rule 1. And finally, this radical here. The radical is the same idea as rule 7 again. We're just going to apply the radical at the end. So essentially what we can do when we zoom back in is we can just find the limits of the terms underneath our radical. Okay? So what we're going to do here is we're going to evaluate the roots of the limit. And remember, we could break these into two, so I'm going to go right to that. The limit of x as it approaches 5. And when it's x squared. Okay, and really we're just going to eliminate the limit of x and apply this squared after. And we're going to find the limit of x as it approaches the number 5 with x minus 1. Now technically, I could break that into two limits, but we know the limit of a constant is just going to be the constant number. And the limit of x, we're just going to go and plug that in. So this question will give us the root of, when x is essentially 5, 5 squared gives us 25. And on the bottom, 5 subtract 1 is 4. Okay? So we have our number 4 at the bottom. We go to root these two, we get 5 divided by 2, which is our limit. Very similar to just plugging things in.